it to 20% to 100%, how accurate po yung or similarities ng story po ninyo dito sa pelikulang ito? And ano po yung in terms of location, shoot, in terms of yung katayuan nyo na po ngayon?
I would say 80%. Kasi si Direk, when it actually turned out to be a therapy So when she was extracting the stories, we were going through this therapy session and she came up with a script herself. So talagang very similar, 80% of it. And the rest are just, nahanap na kami ng budget. Budget version.
How about it? May story po dito about your family, love life, and
yes, so minsan din napapaisip ako, paano kaya kung manood ng ex-boy mga ganun?
May mga especially for you.
Then, for more, kumbaga pagpapakilala, please tell something about you. Paano po kayo, yung pinaka, kahit shorten lang po, yung up to this moment, what's your profession?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Background niyo po.
Yung background
niyo po, Ma'am
sa
Marge.
ano pong probinsya nyo, doon din po ba kayo nag-shoot sa probinsya, which is sa pelikula, ano pong language, dialect, may mga pinag-aralan po sa Miss Rian?
Yes, sir. So, taga-Bulacan po talaga ako, where the location was as well. Nakapagtapos naman po ako ng kolehiyo. I'm a nurse by profession din. Nabanggit din siya. Yes, oo. Nurses. Nabanggit siya. And then, yes, I speak Tagalog.
Tapos dito po sa tagline, when the world is provincial, ibig sabihin may mga international scenes din po.
Yes, kasi may mga creative na nakakausap internationally. So we want to showcase na Filipinos can be really world class.
And then for Miss Rian po, Miss Rian, how's working once more with Sid Lucero? And kumbaga, ano po ba yung character dito ni Sid? He is from probinsya din po ba? Or from metro? Or
Seafarer.
how's working with
I always love working with Sid. Not just during the scene. Absolutely, it's given. We all know he's an amazing actor. He's so natural. And we know about him during a scene, but also behind the scenes, siya yung naglalighten talaga ng set namin. I have to admit, usually when I'm not inside of a scene, I rarely really talk. Or I'll stay to myself and kind of think about what's the next thing I'm gonna do. Parang ganun. But Sid is really just the life of our set. And he makes everyone kulit and puts them at ease, makes them comfortable. And sorry, what was the other one? And what is his role naman, actually kaya nakakatulong yung totoong personality niya. Kasi nga he puts us at ease, diba? And makes us all feel comfortable. Pero within kasi the movie, that's also what he does, or his character does. Whenever things are going wrong, when there's a storm, he's the steady rock. So, ayun, parang it kind of just parang our rapport in the movie just kind of naturally happened because he's really like that in person.
Kumusta ba? Last question na lang po. Kumusta